This is Conklin's only manufacturing facility, and as you can see here in the warehouse, we have quite a bit of not only finished products on hand, but raw materials to manufacture products. Out here in this inside tank farm, this is all latex for your different roof coatings. This is where our R&D is. We have a number of R&D chemists specializing in each of the product lines. We are verifying our current formulations, updating them, coming out with new products. It's all done right here. We do film strength test. We have a machine that basically pulls the coating apart, and you can tell how strong it is and how much it stretches. And this is where we manufacture all our latexes. All our roof coatings are done right here. As you can see here, again, we have one of our latex roof coatings. There's another set of panels farther down. Basically, it just blends everything together. Over here, we have our 2 fertilizer tanks. We can manufacture 8 batches per day at 5,000 gallons a batch. Everything here is automated, all hard plumbed, and now they're flowing it in to start a batch. We have some more bulk tank storage of raw materials, fertilizer raw materials mostly, but also solvents, etc. We have a total of 53 bulk tanks for bulk chemicals. The tank sizes in this building range from 25,000 gallons, the biggest, and then we have a number all the way down to 2,500. If you can believe it, when Conklin first came to this building in the early 70s, production was done here, filling was done downstairs. And then when they added on, of course this wasn't going to do it, so then they added on and moved it over, and production is what you see now. This is called a manifold. You just took the hoses up and away it goes. Shoots out to the tank. This is the Microbiology Lab. Make sure that our raw materials doesn't have any bacterial growth. We also, again, have our fast track products. A lot of those have microbes. We also verify all that stuff here. In here is where all the quality control is done. Paul verifies that you are getting what we say you're getting. And then he also labels the product and sets aside retains. We manufacture lube oils in these tanks over here, pumps over, put them on here. They go shooting down the line, and on the way down they get labeled. They fly over that way, they get filled, and then fly down there and go and get put into boxes. And the boxes get sealed and you throw them on a pallet. All in one process. You just keep it going. Very efficient. This is a bulk filling area. You can fill drums or totes. You bring it up here, it's on a load cell. Fill it up to the correct weight, push it along. Pushes down here, forklift takes it up, puts it in the racks. We're doing rapid roof upstairs, and they're filling it into 5s right here. The lid pops on, smashes it down, comes forward, just pick her up, and away you go. When we manufacture our paints, they come in bases, and the paint tinter has all the Conklin formulations in it, and it's about just under 1,000 total. What it does is the formulation comes up, the person who's tinting the paint moves it over, hits the button, and it automatically dispenses all the different colors into your basically white paint. And then you take it from there, you move it over to the shakers, seal it in and shake it up, let it go 5 minutes, take it off, and your paint is done. Well, that concludes our tour. I'd like to thank you for stopping by today, and I hope you enjoyed it.